How to add Google or Gmail account to Apple Mail on iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. First, let's go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down. In here, tap on Apps. And then we scroll down and tap on Mail. After that, scroll down and you want to tap on Mail Accounts. In here, tap on Add Account. Then tap on Choose from a list. Here, tap on Google. Then here, so you need to sign in to authenticate. So tap on Open Browser. Here, type in your email account and password. Okay, so put in the email account and then put in the password and tap on Next. Okay, once you have signed in, tap on the Continue button. And then tap on Continued. Okay, after that, here choose what you want to sync. You can sync mail, contacts, calendars, and notes. After you have made your selection, tap on Saved. And that's it. It is now added. Once it is added, you can now open up the Mail app and view your Gmail account. Here, open up Mail and then tap on Gmail inbox. And slowly you will see your Gmail emails will start flowing into your Apple Mail application. Now it may take some time depending on how much data that you have. If you have a lot of emails, some mailbox have up to 100,000 emails, that can take a while to sync. So give it some time for the mailbox to completely sync through your Apple Mail app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.